Hi, Jeff here with InspectorPrime. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be giving you an overview on how to create and manage the quotes for your business. So as you're getting folks doing job requests and service requests within InspectorPrime, you have the option to turn those requests directly into quotes and send those quotes to the customers all within one interface. So without further ado, let's get into the system. Okay, so let's go ahead and walk through what the quote workflow looks like within InspectorPrime. First and foremost, we're going to go over into the job and service management. And before we even run through that process, I'll just show you how to get a quick snapshot of how many quotes you have out. So within the jobs dashboard, all these different metrics, one of which is quotes, and you can get a real quick look at each quote that you have out to potential customers. Now let's go down to the residential job and service listing. And let's say that you just received this online form receipt from Bill Jones. So he just filled out the form that you have embedded on your website that InspectorPrime has provided you with, which links directly into your database. So we'll go ahead and open this and start looking at the details. Now, you gave Bill a call just to follow up and see if all of his needs are reflected in this submission. And he lets you know that all he's looking for at this time is a quote. So this is incredibly easy to walk through. You just need to go down, make sure that all of these details are verified, specifically in terms of the property and more importantly, the services. So this is all the stuff that Bill wants. Now let's generate a quote. All that we need to do is go up to this menu, mark as quote. Quote is being built. We've already verified everything. We check this box, go back up, send quote to client. And just like that, an automated email was just triggered and sent off to Bill to give him information on the job details. So we'll go ahead and go take a look at that email right now. Okay, so here's the email that Bill received with all of the job information. So his address, the appointment date and time, the different services requested, and the amount due. Now, right within this quote, he can go sign his agreement and make his payment, and the job can evolve from there. So let's go back into the database. Okay, so now we're back within the actual job record, and let's say that Bill has gone in and he has made payment and he has signed his agreement. Now all that we need to do, and I've already done this just to save a little time, I have gone in and I have updated the service. So I changed it now that payment's been received. We've confirmed the job. We've changed the status from pending to scheduled. I have assigned my employees their different roles. I have assigned equipment, as well as some commissions. And you'll see the commissions pop up down here. Whoops, forgot to do the assigned commission amount. So I'll run my AI agent to generate those amounts. Okay, perfect. And all that we need to do to continue this workflow is confirm again all the details are correct. And we just need to send the job details to Bill. Now, while that wheel is spinning in the background, an automated email is getting sent, much like the one we looked at earlier. And as we scroll back up, you'll now notice that our job status has turned from quote to job confirmed because Bill has signed and paid, and confirmation again that that email has been sent to the client. And with that, I hope you get a better understanding of how seamless the quote system is within the InspectorPrime Office database and how it can aid you in making your business operations more streamlined and more efficient. So that'll do it for this tutorial. Thanks for your time, and thanks for being an Inspector Prime customer. I'll see you on the next video.